Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to portrait and landscape same size, same document in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make portrait and landscape in same document. Firstly, go to the window menu, enable the pages option. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Then we go to the file menu and go to the document setup option and go to the dimension option. Select the selected spread. Now I am select the second page. Then press Ctrl on our keyboard to select this multiple page. Now I am select the second and fourth page and click the orientation landscape. Then click OK and check the second and the last page. We can see we make portrait and landscape document or page in same document. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.